So we're going to do something called a flame test, and in GCSE you need to know how to carry out the flame test and also the positive results for potassium, sodium, lithium, calcium and copper. So to carry out a flame test you're going to need a Bunsen burner, you're going to need some concentrated hydrochloric acid, and you're going to need one of these wires. So this is made from an alloy of nickel and chromium, but to be honest, in the exam you can just say take a metal wire with a high melting point. Specifically this alloy is called nichrome. So what we're going to do, we're going to clean this nichrome wire, and you do need to be able to describe this in the exam. So step one, you're going to take your nichrome wire and dip it into your concentrated hydrochloric acid. You're then going to put it into the roaring flame. So the Bunsen burner has two main settings. You can see this one here, we have the safety flame or the yellow flame. We want the maximum oxygen, maximum power, called the roaring flame or the blue flame. So you're going to take the nichrome wire, put it into the hottest part, which is the tip of the inner blue flame here. And we're just going to clean it. So just burn off any salts, because other students have used this before. Okay, so now it's clean. We're now going to take it into a test reagent. So not a test reagent, take it into a salt to see what's in here. So this one here, this blue salt, this is a solid. We could be doing this if it was a solution as well, it would also work. So I'm going to take this salt, get a little bit of it, and put it into the flame. And we can see a color. You can see this beautiful green color. You can see, not very well. Let's try it again. There we go, that green color. If you see this green color, it must be copper, or specifically copper 2+. Okay, so let's clean it again. Now we'll try another one. Let's dip it into this one here. So this is a solution, but it could be a solid, it doesn't matter. Let's see if this one works. Can we see that red color, beautiful red color? So if we see a red color like this, this means it has lithium 1+ ions. Let's clean it again. Okay, we're now going to put it into this one here. I'm not sure what that one is. Okay, this one you can see has also got a red color, but this is described as brick red in the exam. If you say red, you'll still get the mark. So brick red or red, both is fine. And this is calcium 2+. So calcium 2+. Okay, just two more to do. So this one is yellow. We can see this yellow or orange flame. And this is sodium. So sodium, this yellow or orange flame. And then finally, this one doesn't work very well. It works much better if you can get some spray, which we don't actually have right now, but I might get that in a second. So this one is potassium, and we should see a lilac flame, but we might not see it. You can sort of see it at the edges, a like lilac purpley flame. Okay, so that is the flame test. Cut.